Today's wonderful dish is going to be chili with hamburger, red kidney beans, diced tomatoes, onions, red peppers, and pumpkin, and probably a little bit of rice. And that is going to be my Canadian, Japanese, American chili. Let's see how it turns out. Well, you can see we've got the onions, pumpkin, red peppers, hamburger, and couscous. So it's just simmering there, and that's our first step. Then our second step will be red kidney beans and diced tomatoes. And we're going to put a good portion in, but this will be to last me for a few days. The chili is slowly rising. The kidney beans are in there, the tomatoes are in there, and a few other secret Canadian ingredients. One of them might rhyme with money. It's from Canada. Right. Okay, that is Canadian chili. Looks great. Red peppers, pumpkins, secret ingredients, couscous, buttered, pre-buttered toast. I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it, so I hope it tastes great, and I hope you can enjoy it. Please make some Canadian American chili soon. Thank you, and use local ingredients.